So guys, welcome back. If you didn't see my last video, which posted on Sunday, please watch it. It is part one of the refrigerator cleaning and organizing. Hey guys, I just decided to speed this part up. I'm just seasoning the hamburger patties here. Like I said, the burgers were really good this time. They were medium well, and guys, I usually love my meat to be well done. I mean, dead done. But I think going forward, I am going to request that my burgers be medium well. They were very juicy, very flavorful. How many of you guys like your burgers like that? Sound off in the comments. Okay, guys, I've already started to scrub on the other side, but let me show you. Okay, guys, I'm going to stop for now, but I just wanted to show you what the inside of the refrigerator looks like. It's all clean. It looks bright. Everything in here is up to date. There's nothing old or expired. We have food prep here for the dogs, fruit for CB. We know how he feels about apples, guys. I don't know. I think my son doesn't like them, or he just likes... And here are my containers, guys. I am so proud of these things. And these. I just love these. I have 6 of these, guys. 6. So, but yeah, I don't think he likes apples, but I'm not sure because he eats them, but he just... CB will use a whole roll of paper towels to dry his apple. I don't know what that is, but you'll see Miss Chelsea working with him, his BCBA. I always, include clips of them at his job because that's where it happens. We send him apples to work, and he ends up using 1 or 2 or 3 paper towels per piece of apple, and so she's always there to help redirect him and not, keep him from doing that. So guys, I'm getting ready to cut up the tomato for my tomato container. I am so excited, guys. I am really excited. I love organization. Love it. But after I do this, I'm going to cut up onions. I'm going to cut up the jalapenos. The burgers are ready. We started cooking late, but nonetheless, all is well. And y'all, Buster thinks he gonna get a steak. Why does this dog think every time we put food on the barbecue, he thinks he's gonna get a steak? When I tell you he is at the back door watching my son, I'm like, there's no steak, sweetie. And he's getting ready to come in here in his kitchen. There's no steaks. No steaks. I don't know why he thinks he think he's slick. Hi, Buster. There's no steak. There's no steak, sweetie. There's no steak. There's no meat. This is a tomato. That's not a steak. Y'all. This dog is too smart. I heard Bichons are smart. They are. Very smart. Very smart. So right now I am slicing up tomatoes to go in here. And so that way we have tomatoes already cut up for our burgers. Listen. Y'all. I can't. Look, if y'all think I'm kidding, look at. There's no steak. There's no steak, sweetie. There's no steak. You have some chicken? There's some chicken out there. You want some chicken? Anyway, that's what I have to deal with here. Buster thinks there's steak on the grill today. We have to spell it, guys. I'm telling you. Same thing with Christmas. When we put the stockings over the fire mantle, over the mantle, Buster knows he has a stocking over there, okay? And something's in it, okay? Don't play with him. Don't play with his toys. It's Christmas and he knows it, okay? And anybody who gets a gift, he think it's his. So, I don't know if this little thing's going to be big enough for me to slice these tomatoes. But I tell you what, it will be large enough for us to keep the extra tomatoes. So we'll eat probably the ones that we have now. Look at this, guys. This is so cool. And I'll slice these up and put them in a little black container like this. And that way we can, oh, there's two. I'll put it in here with the onions and the peppers, and that way everything will be in one spot. So I'll come back. Y'all, I'm Buster, there's no steak. There's no steak, sweetie. There's no steak. I'm so sorry. There's no steak. There's no steak. He is looking at, they both look pitiful, like they've been thrown away, child. I can't deal with these dogs. Buster's like, you lying. You lying. I know you lying, mama. Because every time y'all cook out, there's steaks on the grill. We don't have no steaks on the grill, Daddy. There's no steaks on the grill. I promise. I promise, I promise. He is hilarious. Okay, so. All right. Okay, y'all, I'm out of the shower now. And I am ready to get my grub on. I still have to fold the remaining towels. I can do the vacuuming tomorrow, change my linen tomorrow. I don't change CB's linen until Wednesday, so I'm good with that. So I've already cleaned the office. So guys, this is my office at night. I do have to clean and arrange, organize my papers tomorrow for next week. But yesterday, that's CB in the background, guys. I technically cleaned my office before I did anything. So I didn't have to do that. I've vacuumed, I've mopped. So the office is clean. And Clinton watching his soaps. Oh, I'm pushing the wrong button. So I'm so happy, guys, that I decided to clean the stove. Still have a little yet to do. You guys can't see it in here. I took my light back, but I showed you guys earlier. And the refrigerator, guys. So I think it was a productive day. And I am going to eat. I'm going to edit this video so that it posts by noon tomorrow. I'm getting myself in a schedule again. And I may do a little work, social media work, and then I'm going to relax and just chill for the rest of the night. Tomorrow, I will have to do some prep work for my other job, my 9-to-5 job. So I'm just pacing myself throughout the weekend. So I hope you guys have a great weekend. Let me watch CB and Clinton. No, CB and Buster. Bye. Y'all have a good night. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you guys on Thursday. Bye.